Artificial intelligence is a vast topic, and it is something which we'll have to master bit by bit. However, there are many basic projects that you can take up as a beginner in AI. There are plenty of resources online. But sometimes a beginner in AI doesn't know where to start. This video will help you get interesting ideas on projects in AI. Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn. Before moving on, please make sure you subscribe to Simplilearn's YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So, first, let us define artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technique of turning a computer based robot to work and act like humans. Now, let me list out important AI projects for you. Face detection system. It is a form of biometric recognition, a method for identifying or confirming someone's identity by glancing at their face. It's called facial recognition. People can be identified by securing a match on facial ID using this technique. Real time visuals, videos, and photos can be the sources to run face detection. This technology is mostly employed in security and law enforcement. OpenCV is the best technology to create it. A Python package called OpenCV is made specifically to address computer vision jobs. Computer vision is a process used in the processing of images by computers. It is concerned with the in-depth comprehension of digital photos or films. It is necessary to automate operations that can be performed by human visual systems. Therefore, a computer should be able to identify items like a statue or a lamppost or even the face of a human. Now, next is chatbot. Now, it's the best idea if you've chosen chatbot as your project topic, as this will make your resume more attractive in the case that you're looking for a job. An Oracle survey suggests that 80% of businesses use chatbot. So you can use Python, Java, Ruby C++, or PHP as a programming language to develop a chatbot. Designing and building NLP chatbots that accept speech and text data is made easier by Dialogflow. You can go through many projects to get the rough idea. There are many platforms which will help you to build a chatbot. Regardless of how excellent your chatbot is, there's always room for development. The finest chatbot developers constantly enhance their bots over time using AI and machine learning. Social media recommendation system. The rise of web services like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube has increased the use of recommender systems in our daily lives. They are algorithms that assist users in finding information that is pertinent to them. Recommender systems are important in some form since they can generate a lot of income or allow you to set yourself apart from rivals. In order to provide recommendations, it evaluates the relationship between the user and the object, as well as the balance between users and positions. Now let's look at predicting stock. This application is widely applicable everywhere. As AI career aspirants, one will love to develop stock prediction applications. As it's full of data, this project will be ideal for students who want to work in the finance industry because it can provide a better understanding of various aspects of the field. Now, coming to medical diagnosis. This project is advantageous from a medical standpoint. AI projects can be created to detect heart-based diseases and also detect cancer. It is intended to offer patients with heart illness online medical advice and guidance. After processing the data, this system will search the database for any illnesses that might be connected to the given details using data mining techniques. This intelligent system determines the disease that the patient's information most closely resembles. Based on the system diagnosis, users can then speak with qualified medical professionals. Users of the system can also view information about various doctors. Now coming to an important project, search engine. Search engines are utilized by all. We look for information on the greatest product to buy, a nice area to hang out, or solutions to any questions we have. NLP is quite significant in modern search engines because a lot of language processing takes place there. Python is the widely used language to develop any search engine, and a search engine is mainly confined with lots and lots of data. It's helpful for any AI career aspirant. Next is virtual assistants. Here, the challenge is to build a virtual assistant to assist the user. Now, why do you need virtual assistant in your devices when you are building your own? It's also interesting for an ML developer to build a virtual assistant. It involves NLP and data mining. Voice based virtual assistants are popular today because they make life easier for users. NLP is utilized to comprehend human language in order to construct this system. When a voice command is received, the system will translate it into machine language and store the commands in its database. Hate speech recognition in social media. Automated hate speech detection is a crucial weapon in the fight against hate speech propagation, especially on social media. For the job, many techniques have been developed, including a recent explosion of deep learning-based systems for the objectives of detecting hate speech. A number of techniques have been investigated, including conventional classifiers based on deep learning, and a combination of both of them. On the other hand, a number of dataset benchmarks, including Twitter sentiment analysis, have been introduced and made available for the evolution of the performance of these algorithms. Now, the last one is predicting house price. You will need to estimate the sale price of a brand new home in any place for this assignment. The dataset for this project includes information on the cost of homes in various city neighborhoods. The UCI Machine Learning Repository is the place where you may find the data set needed for this research. You will also receive other data sets with information on the age of the population, the city's crime rate, and the location of non-retail enterprises, in addition to the pricing of various residences. It's an excellent project to test your knowledge if you are a newbie. Finding a suitable job in the field of machine learning is becoming increasingly difficult. The ideal way to display your machine learning skill is in the form of a portfolio of data science and machine learning projects. A solid portfolio will illustrate that you can utilize machine learning skills in your profile, as well as projects like movie recommendation systems, fake news detection, and many more are the best way to improve your early programming skills. You may have the knowledge, but putting it into use is what will keep you competitive. And here are 10 machine learning projects that can increase your portfolio and enable you to acquire a job as a machine learning engineer. Loan approval prediction system. In this project, we will analyze and make a prediction about the loan approval process of any person. It's a classification problem in which we must determine whether or not the loan will be approved. The classification problem is a predictive modeling problem that predicts a class label for a given example of input data. Some classification problems include spam, cancer detection, sentiment analysis, and many more. You can check the project link from the description box below to understand classification problems and how to build loan protection system. At number 9, we have a fake news detection system. Do you believe everything you read in social media? Isn't it true that not all news is true, but how will you recognize fake news? ML is the answer. You will be able to tell the difference between real and fake news by practicing this project of detecting. This ML project for detecting fake news is concerned with the fake news and the true news. On our dataset, we create our TF-ID vectorizer with SQL. The model is then fitted using a passive-aggressive classifier that has been initialized. Finally, the accuracy score and the confusion matrix indicate how well our model performs. The link for the project is in the description box below. At number 8, we have personality prediction system. The idea is based on determining an individual personality using machine learning techniques. A person's personality influences both their personal and professional life. Nowadays, many companies are shortlisting applicants based on their personality, which increases job efficiency because the person is working on what he is good at rather than what he is compelled to do. In our study, we attempted to combine personality prediction system using machine learning techniques such as SVD and name-based and logistics regression to predict a person's personality, and talent prediction using phrase frequency method. This model or method allowed users to recognize their personality and technical abilities easily. To learn more about this project, check the link in the description box below. At number 7, we have Parkinson's disease system. Parkinson's disease is a progressive central nervous system element that affects movement and causes tremors and stiffness. It comprises 5 stages and affects more than 1 million worldwide. In this machine learning project, we will develop an SVM model and using Python modules, scikit-learn, NumPy, and pandas. In SVM, we will import the data, extract the features, and label and scale the features, split the data set, design an incidence model, and calculate the model accuracy. And at the end, we will check the Parkinson's disease for the individual. To learn more about this project, check the link in the description box below. At number 6, we have text-to-speech converter application. Machine learning domain of audio is undoubtedly cutting edge right now. Now, the majority of the applications available today are commercial. The community is building several audio-specific open-source framework and algorithms. Other text-to-speech APIs are available for this project, and we will utilize PyTTSX3. PyTTSX3 is a Python text-to-speech conversion library. It operates offline, unlike other libraries, and is compatible with Python 2 and Python 3. Before API, various pre-trained modules were accessible in Python, but changing the voice of volume was often difficult. It also needed additional computational power. To learn more about this project, check the link in the description box below. At number 5, we have speech recognition system. Speech recognition, often known as speech-to-text, is the capacity of a machine or program to recognize and transfer words spoken aloud into readable text. MLSP's recognition uses an algorithm that models speech in terms of both language and sound to extract more important parts of speech, such as words, sentences, and acoustic modeling is used to identify the phonetics of the speech. For this project, we will utilize PyTTSX3. PyTTSX3 is a Python text-to-speech conversion library. It operates offline, unlike other libraries, and is compatible with Python 2 and Python 3. To learn more about this project, check the link in the description box below. At number 4, we have sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, is a straightforward process of determining the author's feeling about a text. What was the user intention when he or she wrote something? To determine what could be personal information, we employ a variety of natural language processing and text analysis technology. We must detect, extract, and quantify such information from the text to enable classification and data management. In this project, we will use the Amazon Customer Review dataset for the sentiment analysis. Check the link in the description box below. At number 3, we have image classification using CNN. Deep learning is a booming field currently. Most projects and problem statements use deep learning. Many of you, like myself, would choose a conventional neural network as a deep learning technique for answering any computer vision problem statement. In this project, we will use CNN to develop an image processing project and learn about its capabilities and why it has become so popular. We will go over each stage of creating our CNN model and our first spectacular project. We will use the CFI10 dataset for image classification in this project. To learn more about this project, check the link in the description box below. At number 2, we have face recognition system. Currently, technology absolutely amazes people with an incredible invention that makes life easier and more comfortable. Face recognition is shown to be the least intrusive and fastest form of the biometric verification. This project will use OpenCV and face recognition libraries to create a face detection system. OpenCV provides a real-time computer vision tool, library, and hardware. We can create amazing real-time projects using OpenCV. To learn how to create face recognition system for you, check the link in the description box below. Last but not least, we have movie recommendation system. Almost everyone today uses technology to stream movies and television shows. While figuring out what to stream next can be daunting, recommendations are often made based on viewer history and preferences. This is done through machine learning and can be a fun, easy project for beginners. New programmers can practice by coding in either Python or R with the data from the Movie Lens dataset generated by more than 6,000 users. To learn how to create a movie recommendation system for yourself or for your loved ones, check the project in the description box below. So these were the top ML projects to help you start your career in machine learning. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.